Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General. I seen all across YouTube and Instagram this Crest deal. I'm kind of late doing the Crest deal, but that's all right. I found me some. Okay. So hopefully by Saturday, we probably won't have any, but we probably will. You never know. You just have to go to certain Dollar General stores that you don't think nobody is going to go to. Okay. So there is 3 coupons. Actually, there's 4. Okay. But the one that everybody is doing is 3. Okay. The 4th one is one for $6. It's one for $5. Then there's one for $3. Then the 4th one that I'm speaking about is the dollar one. So if anybody has already clipped that dollar one before, I can't say that it might come off with something, but on my account, it rung up for it. It actually was attaching to one of my products. And I'm talking about the Crest, okay? This Crest, you can either do the scope, the toothpaste, which scope is the mouthwash, the toothpaste, or the I think it's like the Glide floss, and the toothbrushes. Okay, if you can find them in any Dollar General store. Okay, so I went into, because I had to go and do something today, so I was near the Dollar General store that I always go to on Saturday. Okay. And I went to the store and I looked at it and I was like, oh, the $2 ones are gone. The $2 toothpastes are gone. But you can always go up $1 and go to $3. You're going to pay a little bit more out of pocket. Yes, you will. But it's going to be okay, because I knew that I was going to spend a little bit more money out of pocket. But let's go ahead and get to it, and I'll tell you about it, okay? So the first thing, I'm going to go ahead and look at this scope, okay? Now, y'all might want to check in y'all clearance aisles, okay? Because I found this one in my clearance aisle. It is $2.70, okay? So I went ahead and picked this one up. And it actually attached to all 3 of them. Okay, of the digital coupon. And all this is digital coupon. Then the next are these scope. These $4 scope, which this is the 500 milliliters. They are $3 each. And they attach to all 3 of the digital coupons. So I went ahead and picked up 4. Now you want to pick up, like I said, a total. If you don't have the dollar digital clipped, you want to pick up a total of 9. Okay. But if you have the dollar one, you might want to pick up a total of 10. It's up to you. Okay. Then the last one that I got for the Crest was these. These are $2.50. If y'all can find these actually scan for it too. $2.50. So only had 5. That's all it was just 5 of them. Okay. So I got 5. All right. So all my digitals came off. The 6, the 5, the 3, and the 1. They all came off. And I will show you on my receipt. Okay. The next thing is this Chic. The Chic Classic, they are on sale for $4. There is a $3 digital, only making this $1. Okay. Then the Pantene. And y'all know about the Pantenes. The Pantenes are $1.50. But there is a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that is attaching and give you a little bit of overage, okay? And you know the overage goes into your rest of your products that you have in your transaction, okay? So these are the shampoos. I got all 3 shampoo, okay? I didn't even scan to see if the conditioner. I just went ahead and I seen it was shampoo, so I just got all 3 shampoos that was attaching. Then the last thing was this Febreze plug. The Febreze plug, I can't even get it out, y'all. It is on sale for $3, and there is a $2 digital that is attaching to that product, making it only $1, okay? So, y'all, after everything was rung up, all my digitals came off. I paid a little higher out of pocket, but I was okay with that because I was getting a lot of product. My subtotal was $13.70. Yes, $13.70. Okay. So let me show you my receipt. All right. So there is the Crest. You see the $5 digital. Then the next Crest. That was the mouthwash. And then the next one, there's the $6 digital. There's my Chic with my $3 digital. There's my Pantene, the 3 Pantene with the $5 off digital. Then there's my Febreze plug warmer, $2 digital. And then there's the rest of my Crest toothpaste, a $3 digital. And then right down here for my $2.50, my last $2.50 Crest complete was my $1 digital. Subtotal $13.70. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. Look how much I saved. Hold on. $25. Yes, $25. So if I had this and on 5 off of 25, it would have been a nice good old subtotal, but that's all good. The total savings was $25. And then I have a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. Okay. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. I'm sorry, y'all. You know, it's getting warm here where I live and more motorcycles are coming out, and I live down the street from people that have motorcycles. So I do apologize for that, because they're out and, you know, washing their motorcycles and riding around. But y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's channel.